The Simplicity linear slide assembly features both high-profile and low-profile guides, equipped with self-lubricating Frelon bearings. These assemblies are designed to handle heavy loads in harsh, contaminated environments, making them exceptionally suited for applications across diverse temperature ranges, from negative 240°C to 240°C. Capable of operating effectively across extreme temperatures, suitable for challenging environmental conditions. Frelon bearings provide continuous lubrication, reducing maintenance needs and enhancing longevity. Supports normal carriage loads up to 83,000 newtons, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. Engineered to tolerate and reduce vibrations, ensuring smooth operations even under demanding circumstances. Available in rail shaft diameters from 12.7 millimeters to 50.8 millimeters and rail lengths of up to 2,440 millimeters, accommodating a broad range of design and operational needs. Achieves carriage speeds of up to 0.457 meters per second, suitable for applications requiring rapid movement.